My name is Juhi Shah, and today I'll be doing a demo of the installation process of our new operator for Kubernetes. Before I begin, I'll talk through some of the changes we've made from previous versions, the most noticeable one being our new deployment model. Previously, you would deploy the proxy and collector via Helm to ingest metrics from the cluster and to target resources. But now we leverage Helm to deploy an operator pattern which controls the collector and proxy as custom resources in Kubernetes. In addition to this, we've made changes to the configuration management and validation. We now have an operator pattern that centralizes the configuration of the collector and proxy and acts as the single source of truth for the collector and proxy deployment. And instead of validating configuration changes at runtime, we have schema-level validation to ensure the validity of the configuration as part of the installation process. Lastly, we now offer a single line command and overall health reporting of all Kubernetes integration components so that there's no need for manual inspection. For information on how to migrate from the existing collector and proxy, you can refer to our GitHub README for both manual and Helm installs. We support migrating from Helm, and you can leverage existing collector and proxy config files to do so. So with that, let's start the Helm installation of the operator. You'll need to have kubectl and Helm 3 installed beforehand. Once you have these, you can install the operator by pasting the following commands into the command line. You'll just need to make sure that you don't already have deployments under the Wavefront namespace, as we'll need this to be reserved for the operator. Once you've installed the operator, go ahead and create a Kubernetes secret using your Wavefront token. When the token has been created, create a wavefront.yaml file with your custom resource configuration. The simplest configuration looks like this and can be copied from the GitHub documentation. You'll then need to edit the cluster name and Wavefront URL. Once this YAML file is saved, you are ready to deploy the collector and proxy with the configuration you just created. You can also run the following commands to get the status for the Wavefront integration. Here we see that the healthy state is true and that the proxy, collector, node collector is all running. You can then visit our Kubernetes integration tab and click on dashboards to view a few of our personalized and ready-to-go dashboards for your viewing. You'll be able to get a summarized overview of the metrics being sent from the cluster that was just created.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.